early. Team early. Nah, we late. Forget all that early stuff. It's Wednesday, 8:11 p.m., December 12th, 2018. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. And today's vlog is going to be quick and snappy. You guys know YouTube, right? We're on the YouTube desktop. And what I want to show you is how to create a playlist on your YouTube. Now, before we get into creating a playlist, what is a playlist? Well, to make a long story short, a playlist is just a page that keeps all of the content you put on the playlist organized. It categorizes it, basically. So if you look down on my desktop page for my YouTube, you'll see music videos directed by Tunography Entertainment playlist, vlogs, the Vegan Director playlist, the Box Unboxing series for low-budget indie filmmakers playlist, popular uploads playlist, Philadelphia Hood Tours playlist, One John playlist, the Street Scraper series playlist, short films playlist, and so on. There's a variety of other playlists. Now, a playlist is an easy, sure-fix way to keep your viewers happy. Because, for example, if your channel covers a variety of niches, let's say you do cosmetology, automotive, and pet videos, you don't want to have them all scattered throughout your page. You want the viewer to be able to find what he or she is looking for. For example, if they're a pet-only viewer, they don't want to pay attention to the cosmetology or the automotive stuff. So you want to have a playlist that has all your pet videos. Keeps it really organized for them. Kind of like a library, you know what I mean? So what we're going to do here is, we're going to look on my left-hand side, and you're going to see I have something called library. You're going to put show more, and you're going to see a bunch of playlists that I created. Some have more than others, but they're all playlists. Now, I'm going to click one just to give you an example. So let's click the music videos playlist. Check it out. You see? The music video playlist is going to have all the music videos. It's real easy, right? So what happens if you want to make a brand new playlist? Let's check it out. Right now, I'm going to show you how to make a brand new playlist. What I want to do, let's say I want to make a playlist of some of my motivational speeches. Throughout the year, for the vlog year, I did probably 24 or so motivational speeches scattered throughout the year. So they're not in chronological order. However, there are motivational speeches on this the Vegan Director playlist. So I want to organize them and make a completely new playlist just for my motivational speeches. So what I'm going to do is click on one of the motivational speeches, vlog number 4, finding motivation as a filmmaker. I'm not going to allow that ad to play because I'm going to send it directly to a playlist. Right here on your left hand side of your video, you should see add to. And it's going to allow you, let's scroll down, to add it to an existing playlist, or you can make a brand new playlist. So I'm going to create a brand new playlist, and I'm going to call this Motivational Speeches by Tune Dollars. Yeah. And I'm going to put it on private for right now until I have it completely organized. And I'm going to click create. As soon as I click add to and create it to that playlist, it made the playlist. That's it. You made your playlist. And if you want to see what the playlist looks like, go back up. Let's go back to our home page. And when we go to home, watch this. You're going to go here and you're going to see, where's the playlist go? Right here. Where'd it go? Oh, motivational. Nope. Where did it disappear to? It's somewhere. I can't see. Alright, let's try this. Oh, right here. Motivational speeches. Right up top. Motivational speeches. Bam. So check it out. One video on the playlist. You see that? It doesn't have no other videos. So let's add some more videos to that playlist. So we're going to go to vlogs, the Vegan Director. And now we're just going to start adding motivational speeches to it. Now, I warn you, all the motivational speeches aren't titled motivational speech only. Sometimes I hit a gem in the middle of a vlog. So it might be at the beginning of a vlog, or at the end of a vlog, or in the middle of a vlog. It might be a motivational speech. Sometimes a whole vlog is dedicated to a motivational speech. That's why I'm trying to organize this up a little bit better. But we'll add a couple to the playlist just so you get the idea. So for example, how to create a production packet for music videos and short films. That's actually a motivational speech. So what do you want to do? It says, let me see, save to watch later, save to playlist. So I'm going to save that to motivational speeches by Tune. Bam. And that's it. I just saved it to that. And I'm going to continue to do the same thing for each and every motivational video or vlog that I want to add to the playlist. So let's see. Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down. Get down. Get down. All right. Philadelphia. Fly, Eagles, fly. This is one of my favorites. I have several favorites. Some are stronger than others, but that's one of my favorites. Especially the one at my old high school, at Edison High School. That's a really dope one. I did it on my old school campus. It came out pretty neat. I might say so myself. Yo, what's up with this? Technology, drawing. Alright, so let's go. Where are the motivational speeches at? Oh, here's another one. The Philadelphia Eagles underdog motivational speech. That's a dope one. Save to playlist. And we're going to save that too. Motivational speeches by Tune. And we're just going to continue to do the same thing. What separates a real rapper from a fake rapper? That's a pretty neat one. Save to playlist. Bam. And just keep on doing the same thing. Let's just scroll down with the keyboard. It's a lot easier. Alright, and just keep on going through it. Now again, they're scattered. So I'm just going to try to put as many as I can right now. Let's see. Save to playlist. Playlist, motivational speeches. You can keep on doing that. And you can do it the traditional method that I showed you guys earlier via clicking the video. So let me see if I can find Are You Afraid of the Dark? Okay, I think this was also a motivational speech too. So what I'm going to do is you see when you click the actual video, you can go right here to that plus sign. You see that plus playlist sign? Plus is going to ask you to save it. Where do you want to save it to? You can save it to multiple playlists. I'm just going to save it to that brand new playlist that we just created. And bam, we got it. And then I can go back to the playlist, to the main playlist, my vlogs playlist. And I can just keep looking for ones that I know have, a motivational feel to it. Again, not enough time in a day. Word up to Mom Dukes. That's real rap. So motivational speech, and continue just adding them. And before you know it, you'll have 10, 15, 20 of your videos, or however many of your videos, on one playlist. So I'll give you maybe another 1 or 2. And then I'll just do the rest on my own time. Man with 1,000 Children, Wildlife Vlogging. Look at the old Polaroid. Level Up. How to post a video on YouTube. Vlogging like it's nothing. Making a Promise to the Dead. Wow, this is really eerie. That's really creepy, considering how the end of the vlog year has been looking. Save to playlist, and I'm gonna save it to the motivational speeches. Wow. The Hood Vegan breaks his silence. What's going to happen on April 18th, 2018? Shout out to Earthling Ed. Yeah, guys. So that's pretty much the synopsis of it. Let me take it back to the beginning so you guys can actually see what it looks like. Let's go to home. And then let's go to motivational speeches. There you go on the left hand side. And bam, look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So far, 9 of them. These all kind of have a motivational feel to it. Now on your left hand side, it'll tell you the name of the playlist. It'll tell you how many videos are on the playlist. When's the last time you updated it? Is it a private, public, or unlisted? You can shuffle the playlist, or you can leave it natural the way you place it. And then you can actually add some information. You can actually add information like a subject box, like giving the viewers a brief description. You see, add description. So you can add description. So I'll put, this playlist has motivational, wow, my typing skills are whack, speeches by Tune. Bam. Dollars. Yeah, you can't forget the dollars part. Check it out. This playlist has motivational speeches by Tune Dollars. And then save it. You just click outside of the box and bam. You can get really detailed and intricate if you want. That's up to you as far as the description. Last but not least, you can shuffle the videos around. So if you want to move to the top, move to the bottom, you can add notes. You can, change the thumbnail, etc., etc. Or you can change the thumbnail to the main playlist by just selecting one of these to be the thumbnail. And you can also add videos via the playlist. So you see, you click that button that says add videos, and you can copy and paste your video specifically, you can put the URL, or you can just look through your YouTube videos and find which one you want to add to the playlist. So that's pretty much the synopsis, guys. I hope this little lesson was useful. Wow, we got 2 more subscribers. Yay, woohoo! I'm kidding, guys. But yeah, man, that's the synopsis. And playlists help your viewers find the videos they want. So for example, if you got talking videos on your channel, gaming videos on your channel, and just general videos on your channel, make a gaming playlist, make a talking video playlist, and you know what I mean? It helps viewers just navigate a lot more easily rather than searching through tons of videos, especially when you're like me. I'm about to hit 900 videos. Nobody wants to be scrolling through 900 videos, do they?